Hello, sweet friends and crafters. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. I'm excited to share with you today my project for my Cottage Girls Happy Mail series that I am doing. So I switched it up today and did a 3D project instead of more embellishments for the journal, just so you don't get bored with me. So I have created these purses. And this is a die from Vee-Scrapdiva Designs. And I'm not going to give you a tutorial today on this because Buzzinwith has a tutorial on how to put this together. And I'll link her tutorial below in the description box. And this is the die here. And you get all the pieces you need to assemble this purse. Everything is really well thought out because you get the base and then you get the pieces to decorate. So let me go ahead and show you the purse. We'll start with this one here. So as you can see, there is a little belt, like a buckle, that is on your purse handle, and I just attached mine with a brad. Very, very cute. And here's the little cottage girl from my Porch prints. And I decorated with flowers, and I did have a tutorial for the peony. And I think somewhere I have a tutorial for these roses. And I just love this one. It's so pretty. I like the pink. And I had a few clear stickers that I put on top of the paper just to spice it up a little bit. And I had this trim in my stash, and I tied a little bow on the handle. And when you open it up, I have a little Velcro closure. Inside, I have a Post-it note sticky pad holder. Really, really cute, isn't it? And it matches the paper. And I'll probably put a pen in there. You'll see it on my reveal. And this just opens up like this. And I am going to give you a tutorial for this little Post-it notepad holder. I did use a die for that, but it is one that you can no longer get. It's this one right here from Brenda Walton. It is called, let me see what it's called. It's called the Notepad Cover, and it is 659728. This has been retired for a while, but this is what I use. But I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to make one of these if you're following along with me. And this is one of my favorite dies that I use a lot. And this is what I use to layer both the girls on the purse and the girls on the notepad. So here we have this one here. She's really, really cute too. And I did put the clear stickers on top of this paper, and I put some pom-pom trim around this purse and tied a bow. And here again is my side. I had these brads in my stash that I used. And then we'll open this one up, and inside is the notepad for this one. And you can see that it matches this paper as well. So we'll close that up. And then the last one is this little sweet girl. She's just adorable, right? And I did not use the clear stickers on here. I used the flowers from the Cottage Girl collection to decorate this purse. And as you could see, I have some sparkle on there. I put some diamond or crystal stickles on there. And again, this one has the pom-pom trim, and that's the handle and the back. And then when you open it up, here is the Post-it note pad cover, and I see I made it to match. So that is my project today. So let me go ahead and give you a tutorial for doing the notepad holder. You do not need to have a die to do that. So I'm going to take this out here. This is really, really simple and really, really, really quick to do. So I have a piece of paper here, and you're going to need to cut your paper 3 inches wide by 8 inches long, and then you're going to score it. So we're going to score this at 1.5 and 2, and then 5 and 5.5. And then we're going to fold on these score lines. And you can see how simple this is. So we got these score lines folded, and then what I did is I took some distress ink and I went on all sides. And I'm not going to do this side because I'm going to punch it. I'll show you that in a minute. So I did my folds. Okay, and now we're going to take a punch, and I'm using this one right here. This is one I've had in my stash. You can use whatever one you want. And you're going to punch a design. And you can see right here, I have this pretty design. And the next thing you could do is you could round these corners if you would like. I do not have my rounder here, but you can round these corners. And then you're going to take a Post-it notepad, and you're going to attach it inside here. And then you can use some Velcro closures. These come from the Dollar Tree. You can put one on this side and then one on this side so that this will close, and you can decorate it as you saw right here. So what I did to decorate this is I cut a piece of coordinating designer paper 1 inch wide and by 3 inches, and I just put it on the top of here. And then I did 3 layers of this die over here. And then I put a little girl on top, a peony flower, a leaf, and I just created these little banners myself by cutting a 5-inch wide paper strip and made the little fishtail and attached it on the bottom. And then to decorate, you could put a little diamond dots. I have 5 here and 3 here. So that will make your Post-it note cover. So I hope you liked today's tutorial. Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And until next time, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.